Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure Airpods have power and are inside the case with the lid open. On the Jio set-top box, go to Settings and enable Bluetooth. Once done, select the option to add or pair a device. Hold the Airpods case button until the LED flashes white so the box can detect them. You do this now because active pairing mode is required for discovery, and the box will only list devices that are broadcasting. Once the Airpods appear on the TV's detected devices list, use the remote to select their name and confirm pairing. If the set-top box asks for a PIN, usually accept or enter 0000. Make sure to follow any on-screen confirmation prompts. After you confirm, the box installs the audio profile and routes sound to the Airpods. Allow several seconds for that handoff. If the connection is successful, audio plays through the Airpods. Otherwise, retry selection or re-enter pairing mode on the case. You finish by testing audio with a short video and adjusting volume on the set-top box or via the Airpods tap controls. Make sure sound is routed correctly. If it fails, forget or remove the Airpods entry in Bluetooth settings on the box and repeat pairing from the case, because stale profiles can block new connections. As a key troubleshooting tip, move closer to the box and clear other Bluetooth devices. Interference or distance often causes drop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.